So today I'm going to talk about clipping the offshoots on your dragon fruit to help encourage it to send its energy up to the top so that it can work on height rather than spreading out so much. So what we've got here are these little guys coming out at a few different points, and you can see I've got them on a few of my dragon fruits here. And this is totally normal, but if you want your dragon fruit to focus on getting taller with its energy instead of sending out all these offshoots, what you'll want to do is come along and just either clip these off, or if they're small enough, you can just nudge them off with your finger. And I've been kind of waiting on this one because this was my first dragon fruit that kind of went out of control, and when I finally got around to repotting it, and I've talked about this before, half of it snapped off the top because that's just what happened, unfortunately. And so I have been holding out hope that this little nub is going to get bigger and be the new leader, so to speak. But it looks like one of these two is going to be the new top. So I am going to hold off on clipping either of these two just yet, but I'm definitely going to take off these little guys. So they're small enough that I can just come in with my fingers and just pull them off. There we go. So that's going to keep those from growing and continue sending energy up to these new ones, and hopefully this little nub, because I would rather it grow from up here than all the way down here, but you know, that's just how it is sometimes. So yeah, that's just some tips on how to help your dragon fruit focus its energy and nutrients toward a certain direction. And you can totally let them run wild. It's up to you, but for me, I want it to get as tall as it can, as fast as it can, to get up into the trellis and then go over so that we can start on that fruit production.